Well, here is my 2022 Honda Grom that I've waited for a long time to get. I had this on order since June. It came in on Friday. If you watched my previous video, you'll see my first ride I did with it where everything was pretty much stock. The only thing that I changed right from the factory was I put Michelin Power Pure tires on right from the start. I think that was a wise choice because I hear that the stock tires on the Grom aren't very good. I did keep them as spares. Also, you'll notice I put wheel tape and wheel decals on. I think they look pretty cool. When the bike's going down the road, they spin a little bit. Coming up to the front, you'll see that I put TST blue grommets around the headlight housing. They look pretty cool. Then also I have TST BL6 LED signals, front and back. And they look really good. So I'm super happy with these turn signals. They look good, they're nice and bright, definitely grab attention, but they also, you know, when I pull back and look at the bike, they just match the bike so much better than factory. You'll also notice I got rid of what I call the Mickey Mouse stock mirrors, the big googly mouse ear stock mirrors. Put these bar end mirrors on. There's links to everything that I'm showing you in the description of this video, so if you want to purchase these bar end mirrors for yourself, there is a link to it. Coming around to the side of the bike, I wrapped the shiny black plastic. This insert, I wrapped it in Avery carbon fiber. I think it looks really good. Put my 570 Mini Moto logo on there, and this thing right here is a Ram ball mount that I can hook my action cam up to, or any other Ram accessory that might fit on there. Come down along the side, and you'll see that I installed the Yoshimura exhaust, and it sounds really good. Looks better than stock also. And you'll see I also put wheel tape on the back wheels. And as I move up, I'll show you that I put the Yoshimura Fender Eliminator on, and also the TST LED signals on the back so they match the front. Then as I move up, you'll see my Grom keychain. If you want to get a Grom keychain just like that, there is a link in the description. And I think that's about all the mods that I have on the bike so far. A couple other things I want to do, like adjustable levers, which I already have, I just haven't installed them yet. But I think it's time to go for another ride on this beast. Show you what it looks like going down the road. So here's how I mount my camera. I use Insta360 cameras to get my footage. If you guys have any questions on the Insta360 cameras, feel free to leave a comment. I'll be happy to help any way that I can. But you can see that that ram mount goes right onto that ball that I showed you earlier. And then this stick just kind of comes up, and then the camera casing is in there right now. I'll be putting the camera in there, and because it's an Insta360, it will actually stitch out the pole right into the ram mount a little bit. So you're not even going to see any of that. It's going to look like almost look like I have a drone next to me. So that's how I get my footage. All right, so I changed my mind on how I'm going to mount the camera today for this ride, this next ride. I'm actually going to put it on my handlebar mount, which is another link in the description if you want to get this mount. I'm using one of my older 360 cameras. I have a bunch of Insta360 cameras that do amazing footage. So that's how we have it set up for today. Now let's go for a ride.